The reach of this program, I think, is going to be phenomenal. It really is about changing someone's life for the better. And I think if you can do that, that's a pretty exciting life. The fact of the matter is, when we're talking about improving the quality of lives of people, particularly adults, and you're an adult far longer than you're a child, I think the time is way past due for us to actually sort of put our money where our mouth is and actually fund quality adult services to demonstrate that people with autism are valued, contributing members of society. Rutgers program is designed to actually address the complexity of life in a way that is replicable, both from the point of view of the person with autism and the community members around them, whether or not they are students or employers or community members. This program, particularly with its emphasis on community inclusion, really is optimally situated to address this real central question of what are accommodations for people with an autism spectrum disorder labels. You know, being a Rutgers alum, I just wish that I was an undergraduate now or a graduate student now, so I could really take advantage of this opportunity to learn more about what it takes to be important to somebody on the spectrum as a friend, as a support, as an employer, as a community member. That is such a valuable lesson for someone to learn. I don't think you can even measure its impact. Add to it just the involvement of all these other departments and different jobs. I love having medical students and nursing students involved because access to healthcare for adults on the spectrum is a huge issue. You know, Rutgers can in effect lead on that issue, which is a life and death issue, and nobody else is even taking up the banner. Having something like the Rutgers program for the adult autism to not just show parents what's possible, but to show them a roadmap how to get there. That this was developed by some parents with support from professionals to bring something new onto into the arena of adult services. Being able to actually give people that opportunity to manage their own lives it's a gift, is what it is. It's really a gift, I think, is what is being provided.